Russian forces have reportedly launched a new class of budget-friendly suicide drones against the northeastern Ukrainian city of Kharkiv, as confirmed by Ukrainian officials and local media outlets including United 24 Media. Although the drone's formal classification has not been verified by Russian authorities, some Ukrainian sources have informally dubbed it the Chernika. This marks the first confirmed use of the drone, signaling Russia's ongoing shift towards supplementing its large-scale Shahid strikes with smaller, domestically built UAVs aimed at overwhelming Ukraine's strained air defense systems. Reports from Ukrainian defense personnel and independent analysts suggest that the drone is another addition to Russia's growing fleet of inexpensive, single-use strike UAVs tailored for operations near the front lines. Wreckage from the Kharkiv attack indicates the drone is constructed from low-cost materials like foam and lightweight composites typically found in civilian model aircraft. These minimalistic builds allow production costs to remain as low as $350 per unit, according to Ukrainian estimates, enabling rapid manufacture despite sanctions and supply chain disruptions. Though the drone appears primitive, military analysts caution it may incorporate functional enhancements such as GPS-based navigation or simplified autopilot systems. These potential upgrades could increase the difficulty of countering the drone, particularly when used in dense waves or in tandem with Shahid drones and missile systems. The small size and reduced radar signature further complicate interception, particularly for Ukraine's already overstretched air defense assets. In contrast to Iran-supplied Shahid drones used for long-range strikes, the newly deployed Russian drones are likely engineered for closer, tactical operations just across the border. Their targets are often civilian infrastructure, vehicles, and lightly fortified areas within urban environments like Kharkiv, already a frequent target of Russian aerial assaults since the invasion began. This recent drone deployment illustrates a broader adaptation in Russia's aerial warfare tactics. Even in the absence of large-scale missile launches, Russia appears intent on maintaining relentless pressure on Ukrainian logistics and population centers. Ukrainian authorities are calling for an urgent expansion of air defense capabilities, particularly mobile systems, electronic jammers, and interceptor drones, to combat this growing wave of low-cost aerial threats. The emergence of the Chernika signals a deeper strategic evolution, a focus on saturation attacks using cheap, widely produced UAVs designed to harass and deplete enemy defenses over time. As drone technology becomes more accessible and easier to weaponize, Ukraine faces a growing challenge, not just from advanced systems, but from the sheer volume and persistence of these modest yet disruptive unmanned aircraft.